Hey everyone, welcome back to RY Vlogs. People think control comes from shouting, from reacting, from proving a point. But real power? It's quiet, it's calm, it's the kind of power that flips a whole situation, without you saying a single word. Before we begin, like, subscribe, and share so more people learn the psychology of silent control and understand how presence can be stronger than words. Today, I'll show you how to take back power, using stillness, timing, and the art of not reacting. 1. When they raise their voice. When they raise their voice, you stay completely still. No flinch, no reaction, no movement. Stillness makes their anger look exaggerated. It forces them to hear their own volume and question why you're not affected. The calm one becomes the powerful one. 2. When they try to intimidate you. When they try to intimidate you, you slow your movements. Reach slowly, turn slowly, blink slowly. Slow actions signal confidence and control. It shows you're not threatened, and it forces their energy to match yours. You set the pace, without a word. 3. When they demand a reaction. When they demand a reaction, you give them silence. Silence is pressure. Silence makes people reveal their real intentions. They'll talk more, explain more, expose more because you're not giving them the reaction they want. Silence is your weapon. Before we continue, if this is opening your eyes, if you're starting to understand how silence flips power, how calmness exposes insecurity, and how presence can change everything, then don't keep it to yourself. Please share so that more people know how to and when to react. If you have not yet liked, subscribed yet, please do now and make sure you share too. So more people learn the strength of staying calm, the art of not reacting, and the psychology of silent control. Let's continue. 4. When they step closer. When they step into your space, you stand your ground. Not moving is louder than any comeback. It shows you're centered, stable, and unshaken. People expect you to step back, but when you don't, the power shifts instantly. 5. When they try to dominate the moment. When they try to dominate the moment, you control your eyes. Look at them calmly, then look away slowly. Never abruptly. Your eyes set the rhythm of the interaction. And the person who controls the rhythm controls the moment. Power isn't loud. It isn't dramatic. It isn't about proving yourself. Real power is calm. Real power is intentional. Real power is silent. And if you want more mindset, psychology, and silent power videos, part 2 will go even deeper into silent power, the psychology behind staying calm when people try to provoke you, and how your presence alone can flip any situation. If you have not liked, subscribed yet for part 2, please do now and make sure you share too. Let this message reach the people who need it. Stay focused. Stay calm. Stay in control. Your silence is stronger than their noise.